Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let me show you what I have here today. I was the other day in a what's it called, Dollar Tree and Target, and I found some pretty cool Matchbox and one of the Hot Wheels. So let me show you. There's the Matchbox first. Let's put the portion aside. So here's the 1963 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL. Let's actually open it. Take it out. These are kind of hard to open. So it is a Cabrio. It's white with blue windshield. Interior is all red. Two-seater. The front and the lights are actually painted really nice color. Grayish white, and the signal is yellow. And here's the back. And at the back it says MY230, the Mercedes logo. So there's that one. And then I got this Golf Volkswagen MK1 blue. I think it's pretty cool. Let's take him out. I don't know, I just noticed that Matchboxes are a little bit harder to take it out to open than Hot Wheels. So, here's the front, the back, and interior is brown. I like the front. The front is all detailed, but the back, they should have colored the lights and put the license plate. Nice wheels. It's pretty cool. So there's that one. And another one from Matchbox is 2004 Mazda RX8. Oh boy, they're really hard to open. It's red color, and this one is actually really detailed to the point. It does have back lights, and the only thing it's not detailed is the license plate, and the front lights. The signal's yellow. Yeah, and the back says Mazda RX8. The wheels are nice. The only thing it's missing, it's a license plate. But other than that, it's really cool. And now the final one that I found. This was Hot Wheels, and it is a Mercedes-Benz 500e from 70s versus 90s. That's what it says right here. So here we go. And let's take this one out. These are all gonna go to my collection that I have upstairs. And it's really nice color. It's like shiny, dark, sparkling green. Here's the back. And it says, what does it say? Hot Wheels in the middle for the license plate. Here's the front. So that's it for that. So let me know down below in a comment which out of these 4, or even the the Porsche, out of these 5, which one is your favorite. And till next time, take care everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with everybody that you know that likes Hot Wheels or Matchboxes or any type of automotive toys. So take care everybody. Peace out. Go Hot Wheels.